Right. Good evening, guys. Everyone, good evening, guys. Come on, everyone. Yeah, I hope everyone completed first application. Easy to develop or any complexity? Maybe you are getting small problems in Spring Bean configuration file. So that also we solved, right? Even that problem also we solved with the support of what? Copy paste mechanism by collecting from internet. I hope you have not faced any problem towards developing Spring Bean configuration file. Able to do successfully or not? First of all, let me know how many of you completed first application successfully. Raise your hands. Got the output also? Okay. How many of you attempted and failed? Okay. Where exactly you failed? Let me know. You are getting error or you are getting problem towards developing application. Okay. After the class, bring your laptops or clarify your doubts. But make sure that by tomorrow you have completed the first application. How many of you not attempted because of XYZ reasons? Laptop not there, system not there, time not there, whatever it is. Please raise your hands. I don't mind. I want genuinity. No one failed, no one not attempted. Should I believe that? That one guy, raise your hand. Another one? Anyone else? Two? Anyone else? Everyone in the girls attempted. Sure. Attempted. Three. Anyone else? Not attempted, I want to know. Okay, those who are not attempted, please get up. Those who are not attempted, please get up as it is. Here one guy, guys. Here also one person. Get up, worst fellow. Those who raised their hand. No, don't look at each of their face. I know who raised the hand. Yeah. And then why are you not getting up? Attempted? No, you raised hand lately, boss. You raised hand for what reason? Those who are not attempted, right? Okay. Then also stand. Okay, guys. Lucky Verma, this kind of groups are not entertained. This is the last warning. If you create this kind of groups next time, you will be out of the classes. You have only one group, that is Natraj Java Arena. That's it. If you have any doubts, post there or contact me or come to lab and solve your problem. These idiots, okay, they collect your phone numbers and they misuse here and there. Okay? And you want group with learning people or group with expert people? Group with expert people. You post your queries, Natraj Java Arena, you will get senior students help, right? Okay. Verma, please urgently remove the link. Otherwise, I should remove you from the meeting. Okay. Actually, I already cleared this, but still you dared to do it. Today, you take the punishment. Lucky Verma, we'll meet tomorrow. You are missing the flow of execution, seriously. Again, I am giving a warning to everyone. No groups creation allowed. Only one group, that is Natraj Java Arena. Or spend time in the lab. Or mail me. Or bring your laptops after the classes. Or after the class, share your screens with me. No other groups are entertained. Officially, no groups are entertained. Is that clear? Okay, guys. I completed this message and program, posted in FG group also. I did not ask about those who have posted, my dear. Please, I'm talking about those people who have not submitted or who have not completed. Latecomers, did you complete the classroom first application? Completed? Submitted? Submitted. What about others? Come this side, everyone. Black shirt. Black shirt. Look at my eyes. Completed first application. Not. Attempted. Failed or successor? Failed. What's the error you got? What's the error you got, a worst fellow? Where looking is there? When I ask what's the error you got, you don't know your error. You don't know your error. That means you have not attempted at all, right? Stand there. What about you? Not attempted. Stand like this. What about you? Attempted? Success? Did you share the screenshot? Okay, sit down. What about you? Okay. You? Completed? Completed or not? Then stand. Listen, entire class in standing mode. That's the punishment. Please go backside. Don't disturb others. All you people, please go backside. Yes, guys. Don't hide your faces in the pillars, Rababu. Come this side. Come this side. I want to see you people. Okay. So today's class is very, very important. We are going to feel the flow of execution end to end. First of all, tell me, the application we have developed is a standalone application or web application? Standalone application. In standalone application, everything begins with what? Main method. The flow of execution begins with what, guys? Execution starts with main method, ends with the main method. At the main method beginning, main method ending. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Super, guys. Okay. Yeah, those are getting errors. Last few minutes I'll spend for you. Okay, now focus on the flow of execution. So now let me save this document, guys, as usually. What is there? 2000. What is the height? 10,000. See, don't think that I am giving punishment. I'm just making accountable. Without assessment, no learning is learning. Today you will postpone. Tomorrow you will postpone. Like this, if you do for 5th application, 6th application onwards, coming to class also, it will not look interesting. Why? Because the stack is increasing and you are not sync with the subject. Slowly you will lose interest. Then you go for another batch. There also you do the same thing. There also one more batch. In this time, 1.5 years will be completed and you will say, I also came to Amiripet, studied courses, but no use. Use will be there when you utilize the things. Use will be there when you practice the things. So I'm just policing your work. I'm just monitoring your work. I'm just making accountable. Don't take me wrong. Don't take me wrong. Sir, I'm a graduate. In engineering also no one did like this. I have to do it. Because those 4 years education spoiled you like anything. That open gate system, no monitoring, no answerable things spoiled you. After joining company, you are answerable to your superiors. You are answerable to your team leader. You are answerable to your project leader. You are answerable to your project manager. If you don't bring that nature now and habituating to corporate world, company level project hierarchy is very, very difficult. Now only you feel every day you are working for a company and the task I am giving to you, assignment I am giving to are the tasks to complete. If you feel like that, you will get something to do. If you don't feel like that, this laziness continue, you will be spoiling your career. You will never get any software job, let mark my word, if you continue that laziness and postponement culture. Everyone please come back, guys. Okay. Prashant, I did not ask who completed. You are Mahan Purush, okay? Please focus on subject. Where is this? Spring, guys. Where is this? 515. Where is this? 515. What is there? This. Yeah, first application development. What is the today's date, guys? 19th. What is there? 19th. Yes, guys. Here is my what? Okay, here is what? Come on. Yeah, Spring first applications. Flow of execution. Spring first application, flow of execution. Clear, boss? Come on, everyone. Yes, okay. Yesterday we discussed about what? What is in-memory metadata of Spring Bean configuration file and the difference between pool and cache. Okay, whatever it is. Let's see. Spring first applications, flow of execution. Yes. This is going to be bold, guys. Spring first applications, flow of execution. Okay. Now, first of all, let me give the entire first application to you people, guys. Where is our ID? This is our ID, right? Okay. This is our ID, boss. Yeah, first of all, I would like to give the entire code to you people. Followed by that, we will see line by line execution. What actually our code is doing and what things are happening internally. Both we try to understand in today's class. It's going to be very, very interesting, guys, everyone. Okay. Unsupported version. Very simple, guys. Pankaj Tripathi, 50.2, 52.0 means you are working with Java 8. But it needs what? Java 11 minimum. And up to Java 17 it supports, guys. So that's the one reason, guys. That's the one unreported class version. Okay. Right click on the project in Eclipse, change the Java compiler version to 17 or 11. It will solve your problem. Okay. What's your batch code? 515. The batch code is 515. Unresolved compilation error. There are compilation errors, Rambas. You are running the code when red marks are there in your Java code. Harita madam, are you not feeling shame to share this error with me? Harita madam, sorry to say this. It's saying that there are compile time errors and you are sharing error with me. You have to solve red marks that are there in .java file. Then only you have to attempt running. Madam, you have to bring your common sense, please. Sorry to say this. When red marks are there, how can you run the code? How to collect the nodes? Okay, you will be getting Google Drive link. In the Google Drive link, you can collect the nodes. I think there's a download option in the Google Drive. Download to your folder and start opening the nodes. Fine. Yeah, what is there? Microsoft. I don't need this. Let's go to this ID. This is my SRC, guys. Main, SBeans. This is my CFCs. Here is my deployment directory structure or not, guys. Okay. Say paste. Say paste. Okay. So now let me give the code to you people, boss. Wish message generator dot Java. What dot Java? Wish message. This is my target class now, boss. Yes. This is my target Spring Bean class. Wish message. I think already there everything is. Wish message generator dot class. That's great. Okay. Next one. Here is my application context.xml. What dot XML? Application context.xml. Right. In this place, we got, this is my source code, guys. Come on, everyone. Copy this. Let's paste it. In this place, application context.xml file. Application context.xml file. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Super. Okay, next one. We need to develop the client application or main class, also called as client application. Also called as client application. Yes, my dear. Yes. What is this? Dependency injection test.java. Dependency injection test.java. That's great. Say paste. Here is my dependency injection test.java. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. These are the three main files that we got, guys. Dependent bean is what? Predefined one. I need not to develop it as a Spring Bean. It's a predefined class. I just need to configure it. Shall we start understanding the flow of execution? Yes, boss. What is this? Run application. We run the application or not, guys? Number two, it goes to main method. That is number two, main method. Number three, IOC container creation, guys. What is that? IOC container creation. That's great. What is number four, guys? Okay, number four. Loads the Spring Bean configuration file. What file? Number four. Loads the Spring Bean configuration file. Loads the Spring Bean configuration file. Checks whether it is well formed or not. What, guys? Checks whether it is well formed or not and valid or not. Valid or not. If well formed and valid, what, guys? If well formed and valid, then it creates in-memory metadata. What data? It creates in-memory metadata in the JVM memory. in the JVM memory where the application is running. In the JVM memory where the application is running. Are you getting my point there, guys? Okay, boss. This is number 4. So in-memory metadata is created. Yesterday we discussed it now. For faster access of XML content, in-memory metadata will be created. Okay, guys. Now this is very crucial. Now you have to focus. Remaining things you studied here and there, but the point what I am going to discuss is the new one, guys. Number 5. Okay, guys. Number 5. Reads the Spring Bean configuration file. Okay, reads the Spring Bean configuration file and checks how many Spring Beans are configured. Having no scope. No scope means what? Default scope is singleton. Default scope is what? Single. Having no scope. Having default scope, what guys? Singleton. Simply having default scope, what is that, guys? I want reply from you people. Yeah, singleton is the default scope. If I will launch scopes later, if no scope is given, default scope is what? Single. That means container maximum max try to create only one object for Spring Bean class. So preserves that object, try to use that object again and again. That is called singleton scope, right? Okay, having no scopes. In that process, what guys? In that process, finds how many is in that process finds 2 Spring Beans. In that process finds what? 2 Spring Beans. Having the default scope. What is there? Singleton. Default scope. What is that scope, guys? Singleton. Okay, what is the meaning of that? Single object for Spring Bean. What object, guys? Single object for Spring Bean. Having default scope singleton. Okay. Now listen carefully, guys. Okay, listen carefully. Number 6. IOC container supports pre-instantiation of singleton scope Spring Bean. That means whether you ask for object, you don't ask for object. It loads the class and creates the object. Only for which scope Spring Bean, guys? Singleton scope Spring Bean, not for other beans. Not for other beans. It is purely for what? Singleton scope Spring Bean. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on. Okay, guys. Right. Whoever now saying I got that problem, this problem, use common sense. You joined lately does not mean I am ready to take the queries in the middle of the session. I have given permission to ask your practicals related errors at the beginning 5-10 minutes, at the end 5-10 minutes. When serious topic is going on, please focus on current topic. What do you expect, Mr. Jeevan Bhushan? Or whatever it is, Javi Ushen. I should stop teaching current topic and I should address your problem? No, it is not going to work out as a protocol. The protocol is very clear. If you got any errors related to previous day practical, starting 5-10 minutes, at the end 5-10 minutes. In the middle, when serious topic is going on, focus on that topic. It's good for you, it's good for me, it's good for Spring also. I'm telling very seriously on this. I join half an hour late, I will got the error, I will share error means what? You are disturbing the flow of learning, please. Okay, I don't need your sorry, I need your discipline, boss. Okay, guys, tell me. Number 6. Number 6, IOC container application context perform pre-instantiation or eager instantiation of singleton scope Spring Beans. Are you getting my point there, guys? But what are the two beans it found, guys? Com dot, nt dot, yes beans dot, what is there? Wish message generator. That's the one thing. Other one, Java dot time dot local time. Two beans it has found or not, guys? No scope is there for both. So what is the default scope? Singleton. Lot of other scopes also there. Array, how container maintains the object, that is called scope. By creating one object, singleton scope. Every time it creates a new object, whenever need is there, prototype scope. Like these 6 scopes are there right now, that is not our topic. Right now, if no scope is there, default scope is what? Singleton. Tell me, guys. IOC container performs. What is that? Pre-instantiation. Or what is there? Eager instantiation of singleton scope Spring Beans. Singleton scope Spring Beans. Are you getting my point here, guys? Come on, everyone. Singleton scope Spring Beans. Okay, eager means what? The moment container is created, the moment container is started, it will identify singleton scope Spring Bean and objects will be created for them. Simply, happily what? The objects will be created for them. But I don't want to give just a theoretical statement, guys. I want to give practical proof for that. This is our client application. In this line, we are creating IOC container. Let's comment this. Let's comment this entire lines, guys. If you want, you can comment till the end. Okay. I'm not calling any ctx.getBean method, right? I just created container, but you will get one zero param constructor execution. Voice or tuna. Can we have SOP statement, system.out.println statement in predefined classes, guys? No. Though predefined class object is created, we cannot really feel it. Can we really feel it, guys? Sorry, we cannot really feel it, boss. Are you getting my point there or not? Okay, guys. Here, what is there? Main method start end, but wish message generator class object is created. Did I ask that object anywhere? No. Did I call ctx.getBean method anywhere for that? No. But still zero param constructor executed means object is created or not? Still zero param constructor is created means object is created or not, guys? Super, guys. Are you understanding my statement, boss? Come on, everyone. Super. IOC container performs what? Pre-instantiation or eager instantiation of what? Singleton scope Spring Beans. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. What is number 7, guys? Come on. Yeah. Okay. In this process, let me put in the form of diagram. This is my IOC container, na boss? Yes. This is my IOC container. IOC container runs directly. It runs on the top of JRE JVM. It runs on the top of JRE JVM. Okay, guys. On the top of JRE JVM. Yes, boss. Yeah. In this place, what is there, guys? Wish message generator. Wish message generator. Other one is what? Local time object. What object, guys? Yeah, one side, what is there, my dear? Wish message generator. It loads the class, creates the object having what? Bean ID as the object name. What has the object name? Wish message generator class object. What object, guys? Wish message generator class object. I'll put in second one. Where is this, guys? DebLMG. What is there, guys? Double MG. Which message generator a class object. Okay. This is my double MG. Got it, guys? Super. This is my, what is this? Local time object. What is the bean ID we have taken? L time. Yes, boss? Okay. Somehow it will maintain system date and time, na? It will maintain sys date comma time. Are you getting my point there? Yes, it is having one property called time property, boss. It is having one property called time property. Definitely it is having one property called time property, which is a has a property, right? Right now objects are just created, guys. Okay, this is the first object, this is the second object. Why? In how many classes are there in Spring Bean configuration file, guys? 2 classes are there. First one is local time one, its object is created. Second one is what? Wish message generator. Okay, guys, next one. What's the next thing it is going to do? Number 9. I'll come bit up, guys. This is number 9. Yeah. Let's maintain the uniform color, guys. Number 9. Generally, people worries about output, but I'm not worried about output. I want you people to feel the flow, guys. Feel the internals. Feel the code. What we are doing, what container is doing. IOC container searches for, are there any property or construct-arg tags? Are there any property? Okay, first we concentrate on property. Are there any property tags under bean tag? Found under second bean tag, na boss? From that property tag, collects the property name, time. Come on. And ref attribute name, ref attribute value, L time. Okay. Takes that L time and searches. Is there any Spring Bean whose bean ID is L time? There, na boss? Takes it and injects to what? Time property of wish message generator class. What class, guys? Time property of wish message generator. This is nothing but setter injection, na boss? Because why? To do all this thing, it will call setter method of target class. That is nothing but wish message generator class and completes the injection process or not, guys. So that's why. Can I call this injection as setter injection, my dear? Can I happily call this injection as what? Setter injection. What do you say, guys? Come on, everyone. Super, guys. Tell me here. Okay. The IOC container searches for property tag. What is this? Availability. What, guys? Availability. Under what, guys? Bean tag. Property tag availability under bean tags. Finds in what, guys? Finds in the bean tag. Finds in the bean tag related to wish message generator class, right, guys? Finds in the bean tag related to wish message generator class. Okay. From that property tag, what, guys? Collects. What, guys? Collects. From that property tag, collects property name. What is the property name, guys? Time. And okay, and the value or object to be injected. value or object to be injected from what is there? Ref attribute. What is there? L time. What is there, guys? L time. I hope you understood, guys. Come on, everyone. Number 10. IOC container searches for what, guys? Searches for L time bean ID based. What, guys? L time bean ID based. Are you getting my point there, guys? L time bean ID based. What is there? Spring Bean class. What bean class, guys? L time bean ID based Spring Bean class. Spring Bean class object. L time bean ID based Spring Bean class object. Okay. Spring Bean class object. That is, what is there? Local time class object. What object, guys? Local time class object. And injects. What is there? Injects that object to. What object to, guys? Injects that object to. What is there? Time property of. What property, guys? Of wish message generator class. Wish message generator class object. What is there? WMG by calling setter method on it. What method, guys? Setter method on it. Are you getting my point there or not? Super. Everyone, please sit down. But you have to respond for assignment, guys. Don't think that today I escaped, though I have not completed. Any day, randomly, both online and offline, I will open my Facebook, I'll take your name, I'll check whether you have submitted the task or not. That day again you have to face the punishment. See, don't think that I'm harassing you, I'm too much worried about your career. No, you are out of discipline. I'm trying my level best to bring back to discipline. That is very much required after joining in the company. If no one is monitoring, you will study this course also, another engineering subject course. Engineering, one night batting, you may clear the paper. But here, one night batting, you don't even get confidence to go to interview room. Forget about clearing interview. When you don't have confidence, what you will do? Not this company, next company. Next day, next company. Next time, next company. Like this, you will postpone. And one day you will say, software is not my cup of tea. Because you never agree your failure or what, mistakes. You will declare, I don't like software. Whether you like software or not, for software does not matter. Because software is already proven, many careers are built, many projects are happening, and every day you are operating mobile now, that is also because of software only. You don't like software is like what? Giving that statement is like what? Spitting on the sun. It's like spitting on the sun. If you try to spit on the sun, what happened? It will come onto your face, right? Again, I am telling. So giving statement is very easy to get the sympathy or empathy from others or to escape from your failure. But you cannot cheat yourself. Whether you have done real hard work, real efforts or not, you only know that. Please don't study this course as another engineering semester subjects. It's a waste. Rather, don't waste the money of parent. Go to home and support family business or family, whatever the rituals. It's better to do that instead of wasting money in the Ameripad. If you want to study this course as another engineering subjects, more commitment, more dedication, more focus is required. I'm telling very on serious note, guys. Okay. WMG dot, what is there? Set time of L time. WMG dot set time of what? L time. Okay, that is number 10. So here injection is happened now, boss. Setter method. Okay. Here setter injection is happening or not, guys? Definitely injection is taking place or not? Definitely injection is taking place or not? Yes, my dear. Tell me. WMG dot set time of what is there? EL time. WMG dot set time of EL time. We are ready with the setter injection activity, my dear. Yeah, whenever I am using hash symbol, that is not the original step, guys. It's a reflection of some step. What is there? Setter injection. Hash 15. That is nothing but what? Setter injection. Hash 15. 15 or some other number? 15 or 12, boss? What is the number going on? 10 or 11 or 12, where setter injection? 10 only, boss. Okay. No one monitoring my numbering? Yeah, here, what is the number I should keep, guys? Number 10. The number I should keep here, what? 10, boss. Okay. That's really great. Okay. Now, tell me. Singleton scope means single object will be created, spring bean. That object should be reused again and again. Okay. All singleton scope spring beans will be kept in what? Internal cache of IOC container for reusability. What, guys? Why internal cache? Why it is not called internal pool? Pool means set of same items or different items. Pool means set of same items or different items. Yes, it is set of same item. That's why, okay, here bean objects are same objects or different objects. So that's the reason we are preferring to work with this concept or not, guys. Yeah, what is number 11? What is number 11, guys? Come on, everyone. Number 11. Tell me. IOC container keeps Spring Bean class objects reference. Yeah. In the internal cache of IOC container for reusability. What, guys? For reusability of the objects. For the reusability of the object. Nice, my dear. Come on. Yeah, the internal cache looks like this now, my dear. Yeah, IOC container internal cache. This is my internal cache of IOC container. This is my internal cache of IOC container. Okay. Here is my what, my dear? Number 1. What is next? Number 2. That's great. Yeah. What's the bean ID we have to use, guys? Come on. WMG. What is there? Wish message generator. Object ref. Wish message generator object ref. What is next one, guys? L time. Local time object ref. We are ready with this story or not, guys? We are definitely ready with this story or not? Yes, keys and values, guys. Here are what? Bean IDs as keys. Spring Bean class object reference as values. Come on. Spring Bean class objects reference as what? Value. Are you understanding my statement, boss? Come on, everyone. Super, guys. Tell me here, what is the story, guys? This is number 11. What is number 12? That is number 12. After all this object creation, this line execution will be completed. Number 13. Okay, IOC container creation is completed or not, guys? IOC container creation is completed. IOC container creation is complete. Definitely completed or not? I want reply, boss. Definitely IOC container creation is completed. What do you say, guys? That's great. Followed by that, what is the next story? Yes, we are calling ctx.getBean method. Here we are calling ctx.getBean method. What do you say, guys? Okay. ctx.getBean method. 1 minute. This line I want to introduce later, guys. It's too early to introduce. Shall we write the same line in old style with typecasting? Old style. This is actually as part of improvisation I want to introduce. Actually, no one focused. Still, I have not talked about this passing dot class as parameter, right? Okay. Tell me here. What is this, guys? Object to obj. This is what we understood initially. Later, we have to go for typecasting to call the subclass methods from superclass reference variable. What is there? Wish generator. What is there? Wish message generator. What is there, guys? obj. Simply what is there, guys? obj. Copy this. Here I have to paste these 2 lines of code. I have to paste these 2 lines of code. Say this, guys. What is there, boss? Finish. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on, everyone. 4, what is this? 5. 4, 5. Right. GetBean WMG is called now, boss. The control comes to whom, guys? Internal cache of IOC container. And there it checks. Is there any Spring Bean whose bean ID is what? WMG. There are not there. Is there any Spring Bean whose bean ID is what? WMG. Whose bean ID is what? WMG. There are not there, guys. Yes, definitely there. That is 6, guys. That is definitely what, my dear? 6. Okay, they're available. We are going to get access to that one, my dear. Okay, that is numbers. What is there? What's the number, guys? I'm giving wrong number. 1 minute. Some wrong number has come. Here 13 means it is going to be 14 or not? It is going to be 14 or not, guys? Going to be 14. Searching in internal cache of IOC container. Going to be 15 or not? Yes. Going to be 15 or not? Come on, everyone. That's great. Super. Number 16, guys. Number 16. We got that object reference. Come on. Right. Later, number 17. We are doing typecasting over here. Super. Number 19. We are calling the business method. Super. Okay. This business method execution starts or not, guys? This business method execution starts or not? Okay. 20. Some people are not responding. Please be active. What is Sarra Babu? Okay, it internally calls time dot get hour. Dependent class method is called or not? But that's a predefined class. We cannot get into that method. But that method is there or not there, guys? What is the line I want to write? 18 is missing. Okay, fine, no problem. We'll adjust. Okay, calls get our method of what method? Get our method of local time. Get our method of local time. That is number 21. That is number 21. Okay, boss. After that, what is the next one, guys? Yeah, finally, right now, evening hours. Good evening message will be returned or not? 22. Yes, this 22, this 22 will come back. Come on. This 22 will come back, and whatever the result is there, that will be stored here or not? 23. Next, it is displaying the result 24. Easy, boss. Yeah, 26th. Closing the 25th. Closing the container. Okay, as part of container closing, IOC container closing, all Spring Bean objects will be destroyed or not, guys? All Spring Bean class objects will be destroyed. All Spring Bean objects will be destroyed. Yeah, tell me, guys. Next one. End of the main method. What method, guys? End of the main method. Okay, guys. End of the application. End of the main method and end of the application execute. This is the serious flow of execution, guys. 17 method call, guys. 18 I have 18, 19 is missing. Typecasting this. Oh, typecasting this. Here supposed to be 18, right? Okay. So what to do when nothing is there? I will say 18 and 19. What is that, guys? 18 and 19 is what? Method call. 18 and 19 together is what? Business method call. Actually, one number is enough, but since one number is missed, I am adjusting, guys. I think now you got the end-to-end flow of execution, guys. Okay. But on public demand, one more time I am giving the flow part. Everyone focus. Number 1, run the application. Number 2, main method enters. Number 3, IOC container creation taken place. Number 4, the Spring Bean configuration file is loaded. Come on. And checking whether it is well formed or not, valid or not. Are you getting my point? Checking whether it is well formed or not, valid or not. Are you understanding my point, guys? If well formed and valid, it reads the XML document, creates in-memory metadata in the JVM memory, in the memory where application is running. That memory is nothing but JVM memory of the RAM or not, guys? Okay, for faster access, XML file content is read and kept in what? JVM memory where the exactly application is running, right? Okay, number 5, guys. The IOC container. What, guys? IOC container reads the Spring Bean configuration file and checks how many Spring Beans are configured having no scope. What's the default scope if no scope is given? In that process, finds 2 Spring Beans having what? Default scope singleton. Single object is created for Spring Bean or not, guys? com.nd.sbeans.wishMessageGenerator java.time.what local time. No scope means default scope singleton. Yes, guys. Next one. IOC container perform pre-instantiation or eager instantiation of what? Singleton scope Spring Beans. What do you say, guys? Pre-instantiation or what? Eager instantiation of Singleton scope Spring Beans. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Okay, guys. Pre-instantiation or what? Pre-instantiation or eager instantiation of what? Singleton scope Spring Bean. Are you getting my point there, guys? I want reply, boss. Yeah, in that process, target class is loaded, object is created, dependent classes loaded and object is created. This is second, guys. This is next activity. Number 7. Number 7 is what? Number 6. Pre-instantiation or eager instantiation of what? Singleton scope Spring Bean. I think again number is missed. 7 is missed, boss. How come we are missing the numbers, Babu? Number 6, pre-instantiation. That's great. Okay, what we do is this object creation, we take it as 7. Okay, this object creation, we take it as what? 8. This object creation, we take it as what? 8. Okay. No scope means default scope. That is singleton scope. No value, default value is 0. If you ask me what do you mean by default value, what can I answer? Anush Kumar, there are simple English words. If you don't apply meaning for that, how can I help you, my dear? No scope is given, default scope is singleton. What do you mean by default scope means what can I say? Your reading statement incomplete. That's the problem with you. Default scope is singleton. Singleton means only one object for Spring Bean, right? Anush, please be in the class. You are listening 50%, you are living 50%. No scope is given, default scope is what? Singleton. So if singleton scope is there, pre-instantiation of singleton scope beans will take place. Okay. 7 is target class object creation. 8 is what? Dependent class object creation. Come on, guys. 9 is, it is looking for what tag, guys? Property tag. What tag, guys? It found under second bean tag, which belongs to wish message generator. From that property tag, it gathers name attribute value, time, ref attribute value, L time, name attribute value, time, and what? Ref attribute value, L time. Are you getting my point? Okay, that's great. So what it will do? Property tag means setter injection. It searches for is there any Spring Bean whose bean ID is what? L time. Whose bean ID is what? L time. Yeah, just takes the class, creates the object, assigns that object to whom, guys? Time property. Which property, guys? Okay, by calling setter method on wish message generator class object. What is that one? Set time of L time. On what object? WMG object. This is called setter injection or not, guys? This is technically called as what? Setter injection or not, guys? Okay, number 10, guys. What is number 10? IOC container searches for what? L time bean ID based Spring Bean class object, local time class object, and try to inject that one or not, guys. So this is nothing but setter injection, guys. What injection? Yeah. Okay, for future utilization, these objects will be kept in the internal cache of the IOC container. What do you say, guys? Definitely they will be kept in what? In the internal cache of the IOC container or not, boss? Super, guys. They are kept in the internal cache of the IOC container. Okay, that's great, guys. That's a good news, guys. Okay, that is number 15. Okay, number 16. IOC container creation is completed. That means by that time it completed these many activity it has done, boss. After that, we are calling ctx.getBean method, my dear. It takes the bean ID WMG. It will search in what? Internal cache of the IOC container. That is what? 15. It will search in internal cache of the IOC container or not? That is question mark. Question mark means what? Searching, boss. That is question mark. Question mark is nothing but what? Searching. That's great. Yeah, from there it will get what, guys? From there it will get what is that, my dear? Come on. Yes, it is giving me what? Internal cache of the IOC container. From there it is giving what? Wish message generator class object reference 16. Through typecasting we are getting access to direct method of the subclass 17. We are calling the business method 18 and 19. So business method of target class executes now, my dear. Business methods of the target class executes or not, my dear? Okay. That is what? 20. Okay. In that one, it is internally calling dependent class object, boss. 21. At the end, business logic execute generates the wish message or not? 22. Next, 23. What is 23, guys? Come on, I want reply, boss. What is 23? We get the result. And 24, we are displaying the result. Next, 25. Closing container means all objects got vanished or not? Okay, this is what? End of the main method. This is what? End of the application execution. I hope you understood my statement, guys. Come on, everyone. So this is about what? Dealing with the whole process or not, guys? Super. I think now you got more knowledge about the internal flow, guys. Whatever concepts I introduced yesterday, reading XML file, checking well-formedness, checking validness, all these things are internally used one by one. Okay, sir, how to practice this? How to practice this? Very simple. Keep this diagram with you. Okay, take one number and each number and record your voice and upload to the Facebook group. Upload to the Facebook group. I'll give a post for both, guys. I'll give post for both in Facebook. Okay, one voice recording you have to upload. You have to upload your voice recording. Sir, everything is there now. I know everything is there. I am not asking you take the numbers and read out. Whatever numbers are there, you have to analyze and give me the explanation. Because I have taken 10-15 minutes to complete the flow now. So you should also speak nearly 20 minutes, okay, explaining the each point as the flow of execution. You should not look like you are reading the points that is there in the diagram. You should explain the point. There's a difference between reading the point and what? Explain the point. I have given what is what only. Complete explanation you have to frame and you have to talk, guys. 1 minute. Let me do that. Natras Java Arena. This is our group, guys. Discussion. First point I want to write. NTSP BMS 515 students. Dear NTSP BMS 515 students. 515 student. Please upload first application. First application screenshot. As the comment. As the comments. Yeah, this is a one post, guys. Okay. One more post. You don't deserve this, you deserve this only. Dear NTSPBMS 515 students, please upload voice recordings of first application flow of execution. First application flow of execution. First application flow of execution. Where it has gone, guys? I'm not finding. It gone somewhere. Okay. I don't know where it has gone. Dear NTSPBMS 515 students, please upload what is that? Please upload voice recording of Spring first application flow. Spring first application flow of execution. Spring first application flow of execution. Right. You got it? This is what we have to do. Both the posts are there, you have to respond it. Shall we get into the next discussion, guys? Okay. Yeah. If you want to perform setter injection on multiple Spring Bean properties of target class, what should I do? Very simple. You need to place property tag under bean tag for multiple times by taking multiple setter methods. By simply taking multiple setter methods. Point to be considered, right? Okay. Let me prove that one, guys. Then I will give the notes on it. Not only date, guys, I want to inject, not only time, I want to inject date also. So I'm going to take another has a property. This is my first has a property, guys. Private, what is there? Local date. Private local date. This is another has a property now, boss. Okay. I had to develop one more. This one. Array setter method shortcut is there. What is there? Alt plus shift plus yes. Yes comma R. Alt plus shift plus yes comma R. Okay. Alt plus shift plus yes comma R. What is there, guys? Date already there. Shall I time already there? Shall I go for date, guys? But I'm looking for only setter method, not the getter method. Okay, say generate. Say generate. Sys trace, my dear. Yeah. Sys trace, this is done. But I want to prove in the business method whether they are injected or not. In the business method whether they are what? Injected or not. First I am trying to print time, guys. dot dot dot. From there I am trying to print what? Date. From there I am trying to print what? Date. Click on it. Yes. Here is what? Null. Why null? Only date has come, but time has not come. Did you notice it? Why time has not come, guys? Come on. Time has not come because we have not written any property tag for it, right? So if you want to perform injection on, setter injection on multiple properties, for every property you should write one property tag or not, guys? For every property you should write one property tag. So another property tag here. What is this, guys? Bean ID. What ID? What is there? Bean ID. What is the name of the property? Date. I hope I have taken date only there. I hope I have taken date only there. Come on, guys. Date ref is equal to, what is equal to? Date ref is equal to, what is there? L time or L data? But first of all, date class should be configured or not. Bean ID, what is there? L date class is equal to java dot util dot local date. Okay, I don't want to create object by using new operator. I want to create object by using what, guys? Factory method. What is there now? What is there, guys? Now. Okay, guys. Bean ID date ref is equal to, what is equal to? Bean ID date ref is equal to, what is there? L date. Everyone? But I think this is wrong, my dear. It should be property tag because I'm looking for setter injection. Yeah, property name ref is equal to L date. Name is equal to, that's a technical typing mistake, don't worry. That's a technical typing mistake, don't worry. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on, everyone. Super, guys. Property name is equal to date, ref is equal to this. Okay, now let's see, guys. Yeah, red marks will be there in Spring Bean configuration file. Though you add jars, don't think much, just entertain those red marks. Ignore those red marks. I just want to check whether it is injected or not. Let's have a look, guys. Oh, we are getting error. Class not found, java.util.date. That's definitely wrong, guys. The package name is not util, guys. That is time. That is what time. Click on this, my dear. Come on, everyone. Here, what is injected? Time class object is injected. Here, what is injected? Date class object is injected. One side time class object is injected. Another side what? Date class object is injected. Everyone understanding my statement, guys? Come on, everyone. Okay. I hope you convinced with this, guys. Come on, everyone. Got it? Yeah. What is the mechanism that we have to follow now, right? Yes. Yeah, first point. To perform setter injection on multiple has a properties of. Multiple has a properties of. Okay, target Spring Bean class. We need to take multiple property tags under bean tag in Spring Bean configuration file, specifying the property name and dependent bean IDs. In what? XML driven configuration. If you want to do same thing in what? Annotation driven configuration, you have to use auto void annotation for multiple times or not, guys? Okay, now tell me. In XML driven configurations, what configuration, guys? in XML driven configurations. In XML driven configuration, if you want, what is there? If you want to perform setter injection, what injection? On multiple, what is there? Properties of, what guys? On multiple properties of target Spring Bean class. What bean class, guys? On multiple properties of target Spring Bean class. Then multiple has a properties of what, guys? Then we need to configure, what is there? Then we need to place, what is there? Multiple property tags under bean tags. What tags, guys? Multiple property tags under bean tags. What tags, guys? Come on, everyone. Under bean tags. Under bean tags. Okay. For setter injection configuration under bean tag. Under bean tag of what is there? Target Spring Bean class configuration. Bean class configuration. Yes, my dear. Yeah, if you want to do the same thing in annotation driven configuration, we have to take the support of multiple @ void annotation or not. Yes, boss. In annotation driven configuration, if you want to perform, what is there? Setter injection on multiple as a properties of target Spring Bean class. Then we need to place multiple @ void annotations. What is there? Multiple @ void annotations on the has a properties of target Spring Bean class. Okay, 1 minute. Setter injection not on the has a properties. On the setter methods of what, guys? On the setter methods of target Spring Bean class. So, okay. Now, one more thing. If Spring Bean is configured without factory-method attribute, either with no injection or with only setter injection, then IOC container create that Spring Bean class object by using zero param constructor or not. Convinced, boss? If Spring Bean is configured by having factory-method attribute, what attribute? IOC container creates that Spring Bean class object by calling that factory method on the Spring Bean class name or not, guys? Example is local time and local date class configuration. If Spring Bean is configured, okay, if Spring Bean is configured having singular multiple constructor-arg tags as the sub tags, then IOC container creates that Spring Bean class object using parameterized constructor or not, guys? Indirectly here object creation is done using constructor and injection is also happening through constructor. Even injection part also happening through what? Constructor. I hope you convinced with me, guys. Come on. So total 3 options, guys. Option number 1, bean tag without any property tags or constructor-arg tag, no injection configuration. Zero param constructor. Bean tag with what? Factory method attribute. Come on, guys. Okay, static factory method bean instantiation happen. Bean tag having one or more constructor argu tags. What tags, guys? One or more constructor what? Argu tags. Then what? Bean instantiation takes place by using parameterized constructor or not, guys? By using parameterized constructor or not, guys? I want reply, my dear. Got it? I want reply. Got it or not, guys? Super. Can we write this one, guys? If Spring Bean class is configured using bean tag, either having no injections or having only setter injections. What is their property tags? What tags, guys? Property tag. Then what is there, guys? Then the IOC container creates the Spring Bean class object. What object? Spring object using what parameter? Zero param constructor. Zero param constructor. Okay, what's the example one? Okay, why you have to copy paste? Let's write every time. Example one. Bean ID is equal to double class is equal to com dot nt dot wish message generator. Wish message generator. Are you getting my point there, guys? Beans with no configuration. Object will be created by using zero param constructor. Okay, guys. Tell me. Example 2, my dear. Here, what is there? Example. Wish message generator. Under this, what is there? Bean tag. What tag, guys? Bean. Here is my, what is there? Property name. What name, guys? Here is my property name. Yeah. Property name time. Ref is equal to L time. What is there? L time. Super. Property is equal to date. Ref is equal to L date. Ref is equal to L date. Comfortable, my dear? Come on, everyone. Super. Okay, here what? Bean with no injection configuration. Spring bean with no injection configuration. Spring bean with no injection configuration. No injections configuration. Okay. Spring bean with setter injection configuration. Definitely it is a spring bean with setter injection configuration, na boss. What is this? Spring bean with what is there? Setter injection configuration. Spring bean with what? Setter injection configuration. Mr. Olo. Playing with mobile? Shameless fellow. When you will change, my dear, no submission of task. Look at the body position, how seriously you sit. Don't study for me, don't study for parents. Don't study because friend is joined in this course. Study for yourself, man. Keep the mobile aside. Everyone, keep the mobile aside. Everyone, I request everyone not to touch the mobile when class is going on. By seeing this only, in some software company nowadays, new protocol has come. What is that? No mobile carrying to the workplace. Yes, definitely. And every 2 hours you can go and check the mobile for 5 minutes. Should I apply like this? Outside, should I collect your mobiles? Should I do that work? Muddy fellows. Okay, guys. I hope you understood this. Okay, next one. Your Spring Bean class is configured. Having factory hyphen, what there? Method attribute in bean tag. What tag, guys? Factory hyphen method attribute in bean tag. Factory hyphen method attribute in bean tag. Okay, then the IOC container performs static factory method call based Spring Bean class object creation. What object creation, guys? Spring Bean class object creation. Convinced with me, my dear? Come on, everyone. Okay. Example. What is this? Bean ID. What is this? Bean ID. What is there, guys? L time. Bean ID, L time. What is there? Class is equal to. What is equal to? Class is equal to Java dot time dot. What is there? Local time. Factory hyphen method is equal to now. Factory hyphen method is equal to now. What it will do, guys? Calls local time dot now method. What method, guys? Calls local time dot now method to create and return. What, guys? To create and return Spring Bean class object. To create and return Spring Bean class object. So this is called static factory method bean instantiation or not, guys? Perfect, guys. Tell me. If Spring Bean class is configured having one or more constructor hyphen arg tags. What tags, guys? Future discussion, but I'm launching now itself. One or more constructor hyphen arg tags under bean tag. Then IOC container perform object creation by using parameterized constructor. In that process, constructor injection also takes place. When the constructor execute, that time only injection takes place. Not only parameterized constructor is used to create Spring Bean class object, it is also used for what? Injecting values. Whatever values are there at that time by calling parameterized constructor, those values will be injected to object or not, guys? Those values will be injected to object or not, guys? I want reply, guys. Okay. If Spring Bean class is configured, using, what is there? Parameterized construct. 1 minute. Configured by placing what, guys? Multiple. What, guys? Yeah. By placing multiple constructor hyphen arg tags under bean tag. What, guys? Constructor hyphen arg tags under bean tag. Then The IOC container, what guys? Uses parameterized constructor to create Spring Bean class object and also to inject dependents to it, and also to inject what guys? Dependents to it. Okay, this is nothing but constructor injection or not? What injection guys? Constructor injection. Here whatever happening, this is setter injection here. Whatever we are doing, setter injection there or not there? This is my setter injection. This is simply my setter injection. Convinced, my dear? Come on, everyone. Yes, guys. Tell me. Bean ID. What ID? Bean ID WMG. Class is equal to com dot nt dot sbeans dot wish message generator. What guys? Wish message generator. Constructor -arg. Name is equal to time. Same in the place of property, you have to write constructor -arg time. Name is equal to time. Ref is equal to L time. Ref is equal to what guys? L time. Next boss. What's the next one? Constructor -arg. Name is equal to date. What is the ref is equal to? L date. End of the bean tag. So here Spring Bean is not only configured, constructor injection is happening now, boss. How many times constructor -arg tag is there? 2 times. It will use a 2-param constructor to create the Spring Bean class object. If a constructor -arg tag is there 1 time, it uses 1-param constructor for constructor injection and object creation. If constructor -arg tag is there for n time, then it will use what? N-param constructor to create what? Spring Bean class object and also to inject what? Okay, dependents to the target class object or not, guys? Okay. If we place constructor -arg tag per n times. What times, guys? Per n times. Then the IOC container uses what, guys? Then the IOC container uses n-param constructor. What is there? N-param constructor to perform constructor injection. To simply and literally perform what injection, guys? Simply and literally perform what injection? Constructor injection. So I think you got the simple clarity now, boss. No injection, only property tags. 0-param constructor to create Spring Bean class object. No injection, but factory method is there. Static factory method based bean instantiation takes place or not, guys? Super. Okay, next one. No injection, sorry. Under bean tag, constructor -arg tag is there for 1 time or multiple times? Multiple time. Then it will prefer going for what, guys? Then it will prefer going for what? Parameterized constructor based what? Object creation for Spring Bean class. In that process, constructor injection also takes place or not, guys? So array XML driven, only 2 injections are possible. Property tag for setter injection, constructor -arg tag, constructor injection. In annotation driven, all injections are possible. We will discuss that later. For a few days we decided to work with what? XML driven configuration or not, guys? Okay, that's great. I hope you enjoyed today's session of flow of execution. Nothing is there. I don't want to see my student, Sir has given code, let's type, let's execute, let's get the output, Thalia. I don't want to see that. I want to see you people understanding the flow. Oh, run the application, comes to main method. Then while creating container, what things happen internally? We understood them. Actually, many things happen. I'm highlighting important things. Then when you call ctx.getPin, what's happening? I want to explain that. Yes, na boss? Yeah, tell me. Application context IOC container creates a singleton scope Spring Bean objects early or lately? Early. That is also called pre-instantiate. Before 10 days, your favorite hero movie is going to release. Today only you book the ticket. That is called advance booking or not? That is also pre-instantiation is also like this. You created container, object is ready. Spring Bean objects are created. Irrespective of whether you will really use it or not, you don't know. Whether you call ctx.getBean method or not, you don't know. But still Bean objects are ready the moment you create IOC container. That's why this comes under what, guys? Pre-instantiation or eager instantiation or early instantiation. What instantiation, guys? Early instantiation. Here is my Spring core, right? File upload. Where is this? Spring. Where is that, guys? What is there, guys? 515. 515. This is your batch code, Spring core. What is today's date? 19th. This is the document. But let me save the document. Save it. Let me save the document, save it. Super. Okay. XML file object creation will happen on the top to bottom for target Spring Bean class. Array, there is nothing like this. All bean tags will be taken in the order they are coming. Because it won't read from XML, it will read from in-memory metadata, right? All beans will be instantiated at a time, not top to bottom, not bottom to top, all at once. For every as a property, factory method should be mentioned. Array, dirty fellow, has a property, factory method, no. Local time is not having any property, but we have created factory method or not. A factory method is for bean object creation, no way related to injection. Has a property for what? Injection. You are misunderstanding, my dear. Who is this person? Mr. Mishraji. Has a properties for injection. On that either setter injection or constructor injection. So has a properties are related to property tag, constructor-arg tag. Factory method is related to basic Spring Bean class object creation. Yes or no, na boss? Right. Nikhil Datta, this shows you are using Eclipse IDE for the first time. While creating Java project, there is a small select box, module. What is there? Module. If you deselect, you will not get any module problem. This indicates you are using Eclipse IDE for the first time in life. What happened, my dear? In Core Java, Advanced Java, you never got a chance to create Java project in life, my dear? Okay, listen carefully. Yeah. File system application is not accessible, error coming. Array, if you type like this, definitely error come. There is uppercase, lowercase letter in file system XML application context. Number 1. Okay, no sir, I typed perfectly, still error is coming. Jar file is missing problem. FB group is private, so I am not able to see your content. Please accept my request. Okay, long back I started accepting. You are sending very late request. Okay, Nikhil, I am familiar with IntelliJ, sir. So what? So what? People generally uses Eclipse first, then what? IntelliJ, right? Okay, fine. Giving params as constructor order not. Okay, in which order you are mentioning names in the same order. When you mention name of the parameter, you can give any order. Anyhow, you are mentioning name of the parameters, na? Name is equal to time, name is equal to date. Need not to bother about that. Jar file also important, sir. Okay, Anush Kumar, please stop coming to classes. You are still not matured enough to attend high-end courses. You are still not matured enough to attend high-end courses. It's my high request, guys. Okay, Suresh Kamble, I changed the code to only Bean ID. For the timing, you worry about passing only Bean ID, right? Okay, guys. Here, sir, you are not casting. That's what I'm trying to say. That is advanced discussion. In future, I will introduce how to pass, how to avoid typecasting. For the timing, you worry about what? Current code. Sir, imported, not imported. You should add to build path. You need to add to what? Build path. Make sure that you have added correct jar file. If you add jar file, problem will not come. If you don't add jar file, problems will come. Until you get success, you should say one or other problem is going on. You cannot say no problem until you are getting error. Deleted and added the same. Deleted and added the same. Maybe you are doing mistake. Why others are getting output? They are also using same file what you are using. They are also using same software what you are using, right? Nallamudi Neeraja. Okay. No bean name WMG available, but my bean name WMG is there. Okay, madam, not there mean your Spring Bean configuration file is not identified properly. You are not giving proper location. What is there? Okay, boss. Proper location of Spring Bean configuration file. My laptop only supports Java 8 because of my laptop having 32-bit system. So what should I do, sir? Change laptop. No option. When you are learning high-end, you should have high-end laptop. Okay, today only if you say like this, in future, web application, distributed application, enterprise application, right? Sorry, I understood your pain, but I cannot support you by misguiding you. Do this, do this, do this. So not going to work out, my dear. You must have, okay, compatible laptop. It's like going to war, not having knife, going to war, having what? Okay, wooden knife. What's the use of having wooden knife in the war? In the war, you should have what? Sharp knife, which is iron made, right? If you go to war with a wooden knife, maybe it is useless. That is equal to not going to war, right, boss? Currently, financial condition not good. That's I understood, Ra Babu. I understood. Share laptop with someone, or come to Naresh IT lab. Computers are there, or go for exchange scheme. Go for what? Exchange scheme. But you sympathies will not give jobs, guys. Only subject will give jobs. So keep that in mind and act accordingly. You know the problem, and when you know the problem, you know how to act for the problem also, right? Super, guys. Okay. I am creating container. When I am creating container at the bean method, I am getting bean exception. You are getting bean exception means spring-beans.jar file is not added. Yesterday I also faced the same problem, and I solved the problem by adding what? Spring-beans-version.jar. Guys, until you get success, you are doing mistake. Try on your own until you can solve it. Come to lab coordinates are there. Come to me, I will solve. Send your screenshot, I will solve. Try for 2 days, still not happening. One day I will keep a session of sharing your screenshot with me. There I will solve problem for you. But I will do cold-blooded murder if you come to me by having typing mistakes. And uppercase, lowercase mistakes. I'm not going to entertain those mistakes, right? and wrong bean IDs, wrong XML file entries. These things are not entertained, right? Okay. How to get Eclipse icon on the desktop? Where Eclipse is installed. Okay. Where Eclipse is installed, their bin folder is there. You find eclipse.exe, right click, send to desktop. Right click on the icon, send to desktop, right? Okay. Mahan Purush. These people will judge. Naresh IT is good, bad. Natrasar is good, bad. Software industries are good, bad. Java is not great. Something is great. But these people don't know how to create icon on the desktop. Judge yourself, my dear. Completed engineering and you are asking how to create icon on the desktop. Now don't bring the sympathy. I'm a non-IT student, sir. Non-IT, IT is nowhere related to creating icon, creating folder, starting computer, shutting down computer. I hope. But again, I don't want to see the sympathy statement. Poor family, no laptops are, that's why not export. That is, you see, everyone have poor financial problem. You have to create the situation to get knowledge of computers, right? How many days you will run the life with sympathy? Sympathy will not give jobs, boss. Sympathy will give another sympathy statement. So sad, my dear. Daily 100 times I say so sad. Will you get the jobs? Tell me. Or will I get my required position? No. So please don't bring sympathy into picture. Bill Gates always say only one thing. What is that? Taking birth as poor is not your mistake. Dying as poor is definitely your mistake. You should know how to do jugaad. You know jugaad meaning? Someone is having a laptop but is not interested in studies. What you have to do? Take his laptop, do some other work for him. Help him in some other place, right? Take the laptop and do your practicals. There are so many students in every batch. After classes, they do part-time job. I have seen some of the students doing Swiggy, Zomato jobs, Rapido jobs also for paying fee in hostels. I appreciate them because they know what is time management and they know what is the value of money. And they never complain to anyone, okay, this is my situation, please do something. They come to me, they personally ask, this is my situation, can you help? I recommend such people to go to office and take my name or take management name. They will give maximum discount or if possible, they will try to remove the fee for you. But some people we did like this, we completely removed fee, but they are not showing interest to come to classes. That's why we kept a condition. Max to max 50% discount you will get if you try to say if you are in a financial problem. Because when you pay something, that pain will be there, then you come to classes. I appreciate that. Boss, problems will be there for everyone. You have to solve the problem. Don't bring sympathy into picture. That is not going to work out. Fine. Thank you. Have a nice time. Tomorrow I want to see everyone completing for